Hi, I'm John Holden.
And I'm Andrea Ocampo.
Welcome to Earth.
From the chairs we sit on, the shoes we walk on, the cars we drive in, and even the beds we sleep on, we use petrochemicals-based products every single day. Now that's a big problem for our planet because the manufacturing process creates greenhouse gas emissions, waste, and pollution, as they often end up incinerated or in landfills with toxicity that impacts the environment. Now, what if the solution to what seems like a massive issue could be found in nature itself? Through one of the most abundant and renewable materials, that is plants. Let's take a closer look. Most of the materials that make up the world we live in come from the processing of crude oil. Consumer goods depend on refining these fossil fuels to make petrochemicals so they can be used as raw materials to manufacture the products we use in our homes, offices, gyms, hospitals, and everywhere in between. But what happens when we stop and think of the footprint our favorite products are having on our planet? Take our shoes, for example. Over 24 billion pairs of shoes were produced last year. Enter Evoco, a global innovation company founded to close the loop on unsustainable goods for good. By harnessing nature's power and using the carbon naturally stored in plants and not what's stored in petroleum, Evoco manages to ditch artificial, harmful petrochemicals, which are standard in the industry today.
Plants are abundant and naturally occurring. For example, there is more plant matter made in a day than petrochemistry or oil-based chemistry made in an entire year.
Evoco's commercialized Fates Eco Foam delivers high performance, sustainable products with a high impact in decarbonization and detoxifying Evoco's partner supply chain.
Today, we're concentrating our technology in the footwear industry. That means primarily made insoles and midsole based products to be incorporated in the most carbon emitting portion of a shoe, which is the bottom part of the shoe. We can do this with ultimate performance, matching or even exceeding the performance of the status quo, which is primarily made from oil and petrochemistry. So our plant-based technology platform allows us to create product that is carbon reducing and also performance enhancing.
Sustainability without compromising quality. Evoco solutions are being noticed by some of the biggest names in footwear.
Scalability is crucial for our business and for, any business to stay competitive in this ever-changing environment. That allows us to increase capacity to meet customer demand. We need to price competitively in order to convert the big brands. And when we convert the big brands, we can have a true huge impact on the environment.
From the raw material we source all the way to the finished goods, we have full control over our operations, which is a key benefit for our customers because we offer a seamless integration of our technologies in their supply chains. The other benefits of vertical integration is that we offer full transparency from beginning to end, from cradle to gate, on the impact of our product.
When we are identifying the materials that go in our products, we have to displace plastics and fossil fuels if we really want to make a sustainable product. One of the only ways to really do that and consider that are plant-based alternatives, these new bio-based materials that we see. So we're very encouraged that there's more and more of those in the marketplace. We're very encouraged by the performance that those are also giving us. I think that's a key thing as well, is not just that bio-based materials are coming in that can displace plastic, but be just as good or better as plastic for the consumer.
Today, the team is working on developing and commercializing a wide array of materials from leather, plastics, 3D printing, plant-based adhesives, and more.
Building a plant-based or bio-industry for the consumer goods sector is crucial in reducing the carbon footprint. Being able to work with our colleagues and to find ways of collaboration will help expand the industry and accelerate these technology platforms. Our only impact will be is if we work together and create a scalable industry so that we can compete against the oil industry in creating products and chemistries that we use in our everyday life.
Evoco is leading by example, showing companies they don't have to sacrifice performance for sustainable innovation and helping them in this transition by embracing plant-based materials for incremental change, one product at a time. Until next time.